gang, it's your girl E, and I'm back with another video. You guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this pink strawberry scented lip gloss. As usual, you know, we're going to start off with a sanitized area, gloves on, Versagel in the bowl, and adding in all of our oils. This is basically the same thing I do in all my other videos. Comments below, just let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. Do you guys enjoy watching these lip gloss making videos, or do you want me to do like the unboxing videos, like when I receive all of my shipments, or packaging videos, or just tips and tricks? Like, just put everything in the comments down below, like what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and I will do that. Or if you have any questions, put that in the comments down below, and I will try to answer it in my next video. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how I make this lip gloss called Juicy Drip. It is a pink strawberry scented lip gloss with glitter. And then after, I am going to show you guys how I sanitize my lip gloss tubes. So after all of my oil is mixed in, I am going to get this pink pigment that I got from TKB Trading. You can get your pigment from TKB Trading or Etsy. I know there's some suppliers that sells pigment as well. I am not going to put a lot of pigment because a little goes a long way, especially for the shade that I really want. The more you put, the darker the shade. As well as you want to be careful with liquid pigment because this is an oil-based pigment. So if you already have a lot of oils inside of your lip gloss, expect it to be a little bit more loose because the pigment is an oil-based ingredient. After I mix my pigment in completely, I'm just going to take this strawberry scented flavoring oil. I believe I got this one from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. This one smells really, really good. It smells like pure strawberries. I haven't found another flavoring oil that smelled this good and strong. Now I'm just going to take this pink glitter that I bought in a bundle package from Amazon. It came with plenty other colored glitters. So I'm just taking this. In my last video, I know I said that you want to make sure you use really fine glitter to make sure it's not gritty. This glitter looks like it's chunky glitter, but it does not go on your lips as chunky glitter. It mixes in the formula really good. After I get done stirring it in the bowl, you probably won't be able to see it in the video, but once you put it in the lip gloss tubes, you will be able to see the glitter really good. And there you have it, in the squeeze tube and the wand tube. The wand tube looks like it's a little bit lighter, but it's because it's less lip gloss in there, and the squeeze tube holds a lot more lip gloss, so that's why it's a tad bit darker, but you can absolutely see the glitter inside the tubes. Okay, now to sanitizing our lip gloss tubes. So I have completely cleaned my kitchen counters and my kitchen sink with bleach and dishwashing soap. And this is the Dawn that I use. It is a platinum Dawn. It helps break down greasy surfaces, and this is really good for lip gloss because, like I said before, Versagel is very greasy and sticky. So I just add the dishwashing liquid as well as the alcohol in the bowl. This helps break down any grime and kills any germs that was on the lip gloss tubes. You want to make sure you wash all of your lip gloss tubes because you don't know who touched them and what happened inside the ship. had to give you guys a little ASMR, but right now I'm just doing a quick clip from my Snapchat story. So for this, I just go through all of the lip gloss tubes and the wands. I just kind of dump the water out and kind of let the water flow through everything. You don't know what happens to these tubes when they were in the factory or wherever they came from or who touched them. So you want to make sure you just do like a nice scrub of everything because you're going to be selling this to people and you want to make sure it's sanitized. I do have a baby bottle cleaner dedicated to only cleaning lip gloss tubes and any tools that I have. The baby bottle cleaner doesn't reach to the very bottom, but at least I can try to clean the tops out with them. So I just go through and try to scrub all of them. I rinse all of the alcohol and soapy water out of the tubes, and I sit them to the side to dry, to air dry. So I'm doing the exact same thing to my squeeze tubes, just putting the tubes and the tops inside of the sanitized water, and I'm just going to clean those really good as well. I'm just kind of letting them soak up all the water there. And just remember that these come in 3 different pieces. You have the stoppers, the tops, and the body of the lip gloss tubes. Alright you guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of video requests you would like, or if you have any questions so I can put that in my next video. Make sure you tell everybody about the Empress Beauty gang so they become part of the gang. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, Empress Beauty gang.